Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make doner kebab white garlic sauce. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by placing 1 cup of Greek style yogurt into a bowl. And to our yogurt we're going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. So it's basically equal parts, 1 to 1. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and most importantly we're going to add about 3 crushed garlic cloves. Now just with a whisk we're going to mix this all together. So guys, once you have it well mixed together like that, it's ready to be used. So we'll transfer it into a sauce bottle. Okay, so just into a sauce bottle. And there we have it guys. So that's how you make the white garlic sauce for doner kebabs. Now storage wise, keep it refrigerated, you'll easily get at least a month out of this. But as you can see, it's very easy to make and very irresistible. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.